welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a powerful trading strategy that utilizes the half-trend 2155 EMA trend meter and Chaikin volatility indicators to achieve exceptional profitability. In this video, I'll walk you through the strategy step by step and provide valuable insights into how you can apply it to your own trading. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started.
Let's adjust the indicator settings now. Please apply them carefully. In all the retrospective tests I have conducted, the settings I have shown you have achieved the highest profit ratio. Before we move on to the trading rules, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. The 21 EMA line crossed down the 55 EMA line. The price is trading below the moving average lines, and therefore, we are looking for a short position opportunity. Please note that patience is crucial for success. As you can see, all trading conditions have been met with the closing of the last red candlestick. We are opening a short position. The stop loss level should be above the last swing high. Our profit target is 1.5 times the stop loss level. Now let's take a look at an example of a long position. The 21 EMA line is above the 55 EMA line, and the price is trading above the moving average lines. This situation could create a long position opportunity for us. We are waiting for a half-trend buy signal, all colors of the trend meter indicator to be green, and for the Chaikin volatility indicator to be above the zero line either sequentially or at the same time. Please pay attention here. Although the EMA lines, half-trend buy signal, and all colors of the trend meter indicator are green, the Chaikin volatility line is still below the zero level. We are waiting for a maximum of 4 more candlesticks. And if all conditions are not met, our expectation will be in vain. Yes, all conditions are met at the location of this green candlestick. We are opening a long position. The stop loss level should be below the last swing low. Our profit target is 1.5 times the stop loss level. I think you have easily understood the trading rules. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section. I will be happy to assist you. Truly a very simple and profitable trading model. I don't want to make the video too long. See you again soon. Goodbye.